Check out this brand new 2024 Honda HR-V Sport, now available at Destination Honda Burnaby. This particular HR-V is equipped with a full Honda Performance Development Package, which includes an aerodynamic body kit, a sport grille, HBD decals, and new 17-inch alloy wheels to help it stand out with aggressive styling. The LED headlights and taillights, along with the sporty rear spoiler, add to its dynamic look. Inside, you'll find our spacious and refined cabin with sport seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and premium materials throughout. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and HondaLink, keeping you connected and entertained. Advanced safety features such as Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision mitigation braking, ensure a secure driving experience. The multi-angle rearview camera adds convenience and safety to every drive. The HR-V Sport offers impressive cargo space with 60/40 split folding rear seats, which is perfect for all of your gear. The push-button start, keyless entry, and automatic climate control provide added comfort and convenience. Visit Destination Honda Burnaby today and come check out this 2024 Honda HR-V Sport.